In this video, you will learn how to make hair growth butter for yourself at home. Watch till the end. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make hair growth butter today. So I made a separate video on how I mix all these things together, but I mistakenly deleted it. But I'll go on to explain it verbally on how I mix all this together. So inside this bottle contains a tablespoon of rosemary, a tablespoon of fenugreek, a tablespoon of cloves, half cup of almond oil. So I infuse it together. I left this to stay for 10 days because I was so busy. But if you are in a haste to make this butter, you can just heat it up on a boiling water in a double boiling method for like 15 to 30 minutes, so that the all ingredient will infuse together into the oil before the next step. So I will talk you through the health benefits of all these ingredients and how it aids in hair growth. For the rosemary has an antifungal and antibacterial properties, which helps to prevent dandruff and keep hair follicles clear. It increases blood flow to the scalp and hair follicles, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to the scalp, henceforth leading to healthy hair growth. It has an analgesic property that soothes an inflamed scalp. It moisturizes the hair scalp, preventing flaking and breaking of the hair, and it also makes the hair to shine. The health benefit of cloves to the hair: it contains antioxidants such as eugenol, which fight free radicals that are harmful to our system. The free radicals lead to alopecia, thin and weak hair, and also gray hair. It has anti-inflammatory properties that reduces scalp inflammation and support hair growth. It contains garlic acid that preserve hair color, strength, and promotes hair growth. It has antimicrobial and antifungal properties that helps to fight scalp infections such as dandruff, ringworm, and etc. It contains nutrients that support healthy hair growth such as beta-carotene, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acid. The health benefits of fenugreek. Fenugreek stimulates hair growth by moisturizing the hair follicles and increase blood circulation to the scalp. It contains protein in it that strengthens the hair, reducing hair breakage and promoting growth of new healthy strands of hair. It reduces hair loss by blocking DHT, that is dihydrotestosterone, is a chemical in the system that attaches itself to the hair follicle, causing hair loss. So this fenugreek helps to block it. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties that helps to fight dandruff, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties. So guys, after infusing the ingredients, the whole fiber and seed into the oil, we will go straight to strain it with your sieve or cheesecloth to extract the oil, the infused oil. If you find this video interesting, kindly share to your sister, share to your family, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell button so that you get my notification. So we are done extracting our oil. You can actually store this and start using it as hair growth oil, or you can proceed to make butter out of it. So let's go straight to making our hair growth butter. So I'll be using shea butter. Shea butter moisturizes and nourishes the hair. It promotes hair growth. It has vitamin A and E that helps to promote hair growth, and it protects hair from damage. So I'll be adding in 3 spoons of shea butter. So to it, I will be adding coconut oil. So this coconut oil is in warm area, so it has melted. I'll be adding 2 spoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil moisturizes and nourishes the hair. It promotes hair growth, and it has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that helps to prevent dandruff. So to this, I will be adding Jamaica castor oil. Jamaica castor oil promotes hair growth. It promotes stronger hair strand, prevents hair loss, it moisturizes and prevents dryness, it improves scalp hair and adds shine and luster to the hair. So I'll be using 4 titrate of Jamaica castor oil. I'll be adding it to this mixture. Kindly like and share to your sisters. We need to take care of our hair, ladies. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I drop a new video. Also, I will be adding vitamin E. So I have a little quantity of vitamin E left from the ones I have, so I'll be adding it. Vitamin E has antioxidant property that helps to fight free radicals that can cause hair loss, alopecia, thinning and weakening of the hair. So vitamin E is very good for the hair. After adding the whole thing together, I will go on to melt everything in a double boiling method so that everything will be infused together into the oil. So this is me. I placed water inside a pot and I put it on fire to boil. When it's boiling, I placed the whole mixture on top of it. This is the double boiling method we talk about. Just place it on top of it and continue to stir it until everything melts out. So it's done melting and infusing. I will take it off the boiling water, stir it together, and I'll be transferring this into the fridge. I'll allow it to sit for 45 to 1 hour to thicken up. So guys, this is our hair butter. So this is like 1 hour's time, 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes time. I put it in the fridge, so if you look at it, it's not really frozen, like it's not blocked. So at this point, you can see from under. So at this point, I'll go on to whisk it to get my butter. Whisk it until it turns creamy. Take off the hand mixer. So let's check our hair growth butter. Just rubbing it at the back of my hands. See how it melts into my skin. That's to show you how moisturizing this will be to your hair. So get a clean container and transfer this hair growth butter into your hair container. Keep it in a cool, dry place. The more it sits, the more it forms harder, not too hard, but then it forms like a butter texture. Do you understand? Yeah, just place it in a cool, dry place. Use this on your hair as often. Make sure you massage it into your scalp so that the health benefits will run through your hair down to your scalp. You will get all the health benefits that this has on your hair. Kindly like and share this video to reach more people. If you find this video interesting, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.